There is so much about space, our solar system, and the galaxy that we still don't know. There are some really cool things we know about space right now. And we bet you would be surprised to see them. Number 1. You know what? Space is completely silent. There is no atmosphere in space, which means that sound has no medium or way to travel to be heard. Number 2. A full NASA spacesuit costs $12 million. And 70% of that cost is for the backpack and control module. However, the spacesuits that NASA uses were built in 1974. If these were priced by today's pricing, they would cost an estimated $150 million. Number 3. 1 million Earths can fit inside the Sun. The Sun is large enough that approximately 1.3 million Earths could fit inside. Number 4. The Sun is not burning. And not yellowish. It is common to refer to the Sun as burning, but this is a misconception. It is not burning in the common sense at all. It is converting about 4.5 million tons of matter into energy every second. And the color? Its color is. The Sun actually appears white according to the astronauts aboard International Space Station. Number 5. Do you like diamonds? There's a planet called 55 Cancri. Made of diamonds twice the size of Earth, is most likely covered in graphite and diamond. Did you know these facts? Stay tuned for more facts.